Hey everyone, welcome back to Artist Priyanka Ji. In today's video, we will learn how to make a beautiful house with this red origami. As we all know that origami is always in a square form, but these origamis I have taken from a book. So let's see if they are equal or not. And to check, let's fold it into a rectangle from the center. And after folding it into a rectangle, we see a little bit white paper we can see from here. So you can use your scissor and cut this visible extra part. After cutting all the visible parts or extra parts, we will see that we have a proper square. Now we will fold, after folding it from the center, we will fold the upper part to the center crease. See it nicely that we have already got a center crease. Now we folding the upper part till the center, and now we will do the same with the another side also. You can just rotate it and bring the another upper part to the center. After this step, let's bring this both these sides to the center one and just fold it like this. And after folding it like this, just turn it around and you will see the center, and we will fold this paper from the center like this. So the folded part will come above, and just fold it nicely with using your fingers. And after doing this part, we will open it and you will see what we are doing right now. We will folding it from the right to center. Open it and fold it from right to center. And again rotate it and bring another side in the center only. Let's see it again. Both the left and right hand sides we will bring in the center crease. Let's see how left side and right side both in the center like this. So we have again a square here, and now we can see how we are making these triangles by fixing a finger into it and just try to open these small squares and bring them into a triangle. Look this step very carefully so that you will be able to see it. You can just rewind it. And this is how we make the roof of the house. And we will turn it around and our house is ready. Our base is ready. Now we will use another white sheet, a small pieces I'm using. You can cut a rectangle and small rectangles out of it, and let's make the door and windows. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye everyone.